Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it right there. Welcome back. Stu is back. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. This is a Toyota Camry 2004 GD with 198,000 miles. We're not gonna count the 700 at the end. All right, that's how I do. Well, the thing is, when I start the car, it sounds like a bunkum, and the check engine light is on. I'm gonna run the car right now, and it doesn't want to run because it has a stupid alarm device. Hold up, let me see something right here. Let me unlock it first. Okay. Now that's a check engine light. Okay. And I don't know if you can hear it though, but it's kind of like a dungu. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna check the computer. I have this scanner. It's called Zurich, whatever you want to call it. ZR13. That's the model. Okay, I got this from Harbor Freight. I'm not gonna lie, and I think I paid. This wasn't back in 2017. I got it for $180. Can you imagine that? We're gonna come down here, and that's the OBD port. Okay, I'm gonna plug it. See, I think I lost it. Okay, here it is. Kind of funny though, but. Let's do the wait. Okay, there you go. All right. So let's see what it says. I mean, this is scanner words. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know. It's up to you if you want to get it. Right now, you can get it in Harbor Freight for, I think, the same price, $180. It didn't go down. The price didn't go down. So. Alright, back to this. Cylinder 1, misfiring. Okay. And that's because of the cylinder 1. It's misfiring, okay. I'm not gonna erase it. I'm not gonna go deep into, check the each cylinder and all that. Okay. But what I can do is, let me see some here. System test. O2 sensor OBD. I don't know. We'll see what. I just want to play with this for a minute. Yeah, this. Yeah, fuck all that. I'm not gonna erase the code. I'm just gonna like shut it down. Okay. Disconnect my thing before they kill the battery of my scanner, which I haven't changed it since 2017. I think 2017, something like that. So this is what I got. This is the coil, direct ignition coil, part number 90919022266. okay, you see it right there by yourself. Made by Denso. Not Denzel Washington, just Denzel. I'm gonna step it right there. Okay, so let me peel this shit off. Pain in the fucking ass. I'm filming with one hand, and while I peel this off, let me tell you this. I usually don't go as stupid like when it's related to the cylinder. A lot of mechanics want to go deep and see how it performs. Then they remove the fuck, I'm just gonna break the parts. Fuck it. They remove the coil. They remove the spark plug. Of course, they gotta check all that, and they put a camera through the spark plug hole and see if anything is broken or something. I don't play all that. I could, but time is money, you know what I'm saying? That's a part number, I guess. Denso, feel me? and we're gonna install this. We're gonna locate cylinder 1 and do the thing. All right, come with me. Show you how to do that. Don't forget to tune up and change the oil to the subscribe button. Do that for me, all right? Share this video, like this video, destroy the bell button, so every time I upload something new, that shit is gonna let you know what's good, all right? And the feedback, put it in the comment box, okay? All right, open the hood like this, pop. Okay, see that? I'm just gonna lift the car a little bit so I don't fuck my lower back by bending over too much. Alright, so this is the setup. Here's the latch right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove this. Okay. So 16 valve VVTi 10mm right here. Don't drop that. This is another one. Ciao. To go. This part is gonna be a little bit like this. Remove this shit. Now, just discovered. See how it looks like? So this is gonna be the first one, okay? You could I don't think you're gonna hear the difference though, but you could start the car, unplug this, and if you feel any difference, like I'm saying, let's say you unplug it and nothing changed, then that's what it is. It's this one right here. But if the car is running, right? If you unplug this one, and if you feel like it gets worse, the engine is not performing as designed, then that's not it. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be a 10mm. If you wanna do that first, just do this one first. Right there, alright, just click this shit. Press it. 10mm. It looks new though, but alright, we're gonna change it. Denso, made in Japan. Shout outs to Japan. Just put it there. That, put everything back. See how it goes. Careful with the electric tools, okay? They're strong. You don't want to break the coil, okay? So we're gonna run the car. Before I erase the code, I want to see if anything changed. I'm gonna start it though. It feels way better, but the check engine light is still on. So I'm just gonna shut it down, erase the code, and we're just gonna let me unplug the scanner. Okay, just turn it to the on position. Don't start it. Okay. Now we're gonna erase the code. And then, you know, you're just gonna drive it around and see if it comes back, then it's gonna get serious, you know what I'm saying? So if it comes back, if the check engine light comes back after I erase this, Then hold up. So like I was saying, I'm gonna erase the code, road test it, you know, drive it around. If it doesn't come back, then that was it. That's it. All right. That was an easy fix and fast. Okay. You don't have to like a fucking tear the engine apart just to see maybe it was something and it wasn't. You know what I'm saying, you don't find anything. You know what I'm saying, because you need your car, right? So this is all you're gonna do first. If it comes back, then we're gonna get deeper and deeper until we find, you know, what really is the problem. You know what I'm saying, I'm gonna start the car now. Okay. Toyota Camry 2004. Alright. That was it. I feel the engine better. I'm saying these engines last for fucking years. I seen 400,000 miles, and that's light. They're still working. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna plug this, and that was it. That's how you fix this problem. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Highlight your boy. See you in the next one. I'm Stu. I'm out.